Processing AR payments in QAD is labor-intensive unless you automate it. Import payment remittance files, automate invoice matching, perform $0 adjustments, and process large volumes of customer payments quickly, accurately, with minimal effort, and without manual entry of each payment in QAD. Hello, and thank you for tuning in for How to Revolutionize AR Processing in QAD Enterprise Edition. There are challenges inherent with most any manual process. More times than not, it is laborious, requiring a good deal of time and effort, and making it susceptible to error. And if slow to process, slow to reconcile will follow, which leads to an imprecise financial picture. When up-to-date cash receipt information isn't available, you'll have greater difficulty making informed decisions regarding cash reserves, investments, and expenditures. And having accounts not up-to-date will certainly impede customer satisfaction. The benefits of automation? It makes tasks easy. Typically, that's the beauty of automation. And accurate. Eliminating manual effort minimizes the risk of errors and discrepancies. Swift. In as little as 3 clicks, so payments are recorded quickly, which helps maintain a healthy cash flow and keeps your data up to date, affording you timely financial planning, forecasting, and budgeting, as well as accurate customer records contributing to contented customers. Processing AR payments in QAD is labor-intensive unless you automate it. With 32Soft's AR Cash Application Data Loader, you'll transform your AR processing workflow because it enables you to import payment remittance files from various sources, automate invoice matching, perform $0 adjustments, and process large volumes of customer payments quickly, accurately, with minimal effort, and without manual entry of each payment in QAD. Our AR Cash Application Data Loader for QAD Enterprise Edition can handle payments in QAD in as few as 3 mouse clicks. 1. Click to download your remittance files. 2. Click to automatically match invoices to payments. 3. Click to upload payments to QAD. Let's take a look at how you can speed up your AR payment processing from a time-consuming drudge to just 3 mouse clicks. The AR Cash Application Data Loader is designed as an easy-to-use Excel spreadsheet, as are all 32Soft data loaders. The Excel interface gives us familiarity and flexibility when reviewing and analyzing our data. The AR Cash Application Data Loader can be stored on your computer or opened from the network drive or the cloud. The Data Loader banner includes filtering options and action buttons, and the first thing we need to do after opening the Data Loader is to click Setup to select the database we'll be connecting to. For each payment processing, we must enter the entity code, the deposit and posting dates, and the currency code. If the payment details file we use references our QAD invoice numbers, the entire cash application process will consist of only 3 mouse clicks. First, open the remittance file. Second, match data from the remittance file with open invoices in QAD. Third, apply payments to the open QAD invoices. To open a remittance file, we click Open File. The Browse window will pop up, and we can select the remittance file we want to process. These can be files automatically received or downloaded from a bank, payment files sent by a customer, or files from an online shopping system such as Shopify. 32Soft configures the AR Cash Application Data Loader to open files of the specific formats needed. Here we have prepared a sample input bank file. This is how the sample file looks when opened in the data loader. The Open File action in the AR Cash Application Data Loader picks only specific fields from this file: check number, check amount, customer name, customer code, if available, invoice number, and invoice amount. The fields are automatically populated in the data loader spreadsheet. So, with our first click, we receive all the information from the remittance file that we need to process AR payments in QAD. With the second click, we select Validate, and the AR Cash Application Data Loader will match our remittance details to open QAD invoices, saving us time and reducing errors. But before pulling this information from QAD, the loader will validate that we are authorized to process payments in QAD. We can process payments in QAD through the AR Cash Application Data Loader only if we have a valid QAD user ID, password, and access to the 27.6.4.1 Customer Payment Create menu in QAD. User authentication in the data loader is based on native QAD authentication logic and includes user ID, password, menu, entity, and site security. If user authentication is successful, open AR document details matching payments in the remittance file will be downloaded into the data loader. For all these documents, we'll see the QAD bill to code and name, document number, discount percentage, discount due date, open amount, amount to apply, and discount amount. If the amount to apply is not equal to the open amount, we'll see the difference in the variance column. There might be some payments in the remittance file that do not have matching QAD invoices. In this case, we can find matching documents manually. To help with document lookup in QAD, AR Cash Application Data Loader has a built-in supporting function. We can select an amount from the remittance file and select Lookup. The list of open documents for a specified bill-to address within a predefined amount range will open in the drop-down window. Simply select and validate again. We now have all open invoices for all our lines from the remittance file. After matching our remittance details with QAD data, we use this simple and convenient interface for our third click. Simply select Process to record payments in QAD. It's that easy and completely secure. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the AR Cash Application Loader validates data against genuine QAD logic. There are 5 validation layers built in, so an error message will be returned if any inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. So, no data is uploaded. If any issues are encountered, we will see clearly error occurred. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red, and a reason for the error is displayed. In this example, I have a duplicate check number, so let's fix the error and try our upload again. This time, the status window shows our upload is successful. Now we can review the new customer payments using the Customer Payment view in QAD. Let's look at those created today. We see the new payments created. If we click on View, we'll see the details of the payment. And here, if we click on Allocate, we will see all the invoices cleared by this payment. Yes, and here are the 3 invoices. Our cash application process is complete. If we were to mistakenly try to process the same remittance file again, the built-in validation logic will prevent us from doing so. As mentioned earlier, 32Soft will configure the AR cash application data loader to open files of the specific formats needed. Here is a look at another version of the loader, which can be used when a large number of invoices must be cleared for one customer, such as when a company sells products through Shopify, Salesforce, or any other third party. The payment file can be imported to the data loader, matched with QAD invoices, and the payment created in QAD. The customer number can be specified in the banner section of the loader. This version allows for deductions to be applied. For example, credit card fees can be processed as deductions. To handle the deduction, the data loader creates a negative invoice, credit note, and applies it to the payment. Again, this tool will be configured to accommodate varying payment processes and file formats. As demonstrated, the AR Cash Application Data Loader is a simple and easy-to-use tool that will transform your QAD payment application process, reducing processing time from hours to just minutes. Through the notable savings of time and money, like all our data loaders, the AR Cash Application Loader provides a lightning-quick return on investment. Plus, this loader will help facilitate smooth reconciliation between the accounts receivable ledger and bank statements. It will help you to more quickly identify and address overdue accounts, reduce the risk of bad debts, and improve overall collection efforts. It will help ensure compliance with the accounting standards and regulations, reducing the risk of regulatory issues and audits. And remember, users will love the easy and familiar Excel interface, the optional methods of access, that it's configurable to varying file formats, and its seamless integration with QAD. If you have other struggles with bottlenecks, here's a quick look at other data loaders for QAD EE that integrate seamlessly as well, and will turn hours of work into just minutes. If you have any questions, you can pause this video now and enter them into the chat on the left side of your screen. As always, feel free to reach out to us directly by phone or email at any time. We hope you enjoyed the convenience of this on-demand webinar session, and again, thank you for tuning in. From all of us at 32Soft, have a great day.